I feel fine today. Walking on cloud nine today. I'm over that line today. Happiness is finally mine today.
I guess I'm just a lucky guy, and here I'm about to tell you why. It's strictly on account of my sweet potato pie.
Turn. Oh, who's that? Panda bear. Mwah. Yeah, we kiss him.
Oh, say it. You.
Mwah. You see?
Oh.
What happened?
What did you do? Did you do something wrong?
It's Izzy's turn.
Izzy's turn.
You gonna take a picture, Maddie? Cheese! Say cheese! Don't go anywhere. Where you going? Where you going, little butchie boo? Got your bum bum. Who's that? Did you see him too? Who's that?
No.
No, that's a bear.
No.
You don't want the bear?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see that. Did you guys have breakfast? No?
No.
Do you want breakfast? Want to eat Num Nums? Can I have my camera back when you're done with that? You want more? You want the camera again? You want more camera? But I have to put it away so we can have breakfast. What do you want to eat? Good girl. What do you want to eat? Bananas.
Uh-oh. What's the uh-oh? Well, you get two in front of you, Izzy.
Izzy, you got some right there.
Look in front of you.
Is that good? That's good. Yeah, we like that. That's the stamp of approval. Gotta chew them up. Don't just keep popping them in your mouth. Num, num, num. We like bananas, Grammy. Right? Yeah, you want the whole but one? You can't have the whole one.
I'll have that one. You keep the little pieces. I
I'm
want
gonna
the
get
big
you
one.
waffle. How's that? Waffle.
Waffle. You like waffle? Waffle. Waffle, waffle. Waffle, waffle. What do you say about that?
You like waffle?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a waffle. Oh, it smells good. They eat it dry. You got a blueberry waffle. You want a piece of a waffle?
Mmm.
Yeah. Maddie likes waffles. Chew them up, though, girls. That's right. Oh, that's good.
You look so much like your daddy when you do that.
Big happy smiles. Oh, I can have these?
Test shake.
Thank you. Oh, did I drop it?
Oh.
Here, you can give me another one. Oh. Good girl.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I was going to be feed Grammy now.
Oops. No, the rest of it's for you guys, because